Good morning, students. In the previous classes, we have studied about 12th chapter, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. And today's onwards, we are going to study 13th chapter in organic chemistry, that is organic compounds containing nitrogen, generally called amines. What are amines? Amines are alkyl or aryl or alkyl derivatives of ammonia, where one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl. See, amines are the alkyl, aryl or alkyl. Alkyl means aliphatic system, aryl means aromatic system. Alkyl means aromatic and alkyl are alkyl derivatives of ammonia, where one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. Alkyl or aryl groups. Now, derivatives of ammonia. These are alkyl or amine are derived from the ammonia. See, ammonia structure is 2 lone pairs, 3 bond pairs. NH. Where it's the structure of ammonia, where one, two, three are bond pairs, and these two are lone. Yes. Now, what is the electronic configuration of nitrogen? Atomic number is 7, and electronic configuration is 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p3. Valence is 2 is 2, 2p3, where 3 are bond pairs, these 2 are lone pairs. Here 3 bond pairs containing hydrogen is called ammonia, where one hydrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl group. Where R is alkyl or aryl group. Alkyl means aliphatic, open chain system, and aryl means aromatic, at least one benzene. And derivatives of ammonia. Derivatives of ammonia is one hydrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl is called primary amines. Two hydrogens are replaced by alkyl or aryls are called NH. Two hydrogens are replaced by 2 alkyl or aryls called secondary amines. And tertiary amines means 3 hydrogens. All the 3 hydrogens in ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl. Alkyl or aryl are called tertiary amines. Tertiary amines. Next, classification of amines. Classification of amines is classified three types based on number one, based on number of substituent groups. How many number of are, whether it be alkyl or aryl, based on number of substituent groups are classified amines as primary, secondary and tertiary. And second type is classification of amines based on nature of substituent group. Alkyl or aryl group, which type or which nature is based, aliphatic or aromatic, like that. And based on type of substituent group is type, whether may be simple or mixed amines. Where number one, classification of amines based on number of substituent groups. If substituent group is 1 or NH2, primary amines. Where R is 1, number is 1. Now it is called primary amines. Primary amines. Example, where R is methyl CH3 NH2. Name is methyl amine. S primary amine. R is also represented as 1 degree. Primary amine. Second, another example, C6H5 NH2. C6H5 is a benzene ring. One hydrogen replaced by NH2. Here, one hydrogen of the ammonia, here consider it is a H. One hydrogen is replaced by phenyl group, so called phenylamine, or general name is aniline. Here also one hydrogen in ammonia, consider it is NH3. Hydrogen, one hydrogen is replaced by methyl group. Now R2NH. R2NH is the functional group of secondary amines. Secondary amines are 2 degree amines. Where number of substituent groups 2. Here 1. 2 are maybe alkyl or aryl groups attached to the hydrogen. Where example CH3 NH CH3 means methyl amine, dimethyl amine, dimethyl amine is the name. And another example, CH3 NH C2H5. Here ethyl methyl amine, name is ethyl methyl amine. Here 2R, number of substituent groups are 2. So secondary amines is the name. 2 degree amines are secondary amines. One R is methyl, another R is ethyl. Now tertiary, here 3 hydrogens are replaced by alkyl R amine. R called tertiary amines. 3 degree amines. Where 3 are replaced by alkyl or aryl. See example, CH3 and CH3. Name is 1, 2, 3. 3 methyls represented by trimethyl amine. Yes. Classification of number of substituent substituent group. Here substituent group is 1, substituent group is 2, substituent group is 3. Second classification is based on nature of substituent group. How is the nature attached to the amine group? See, there are two types. Aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Aliphatic amines, aromatic amines. Aliphatic means these are all examples: methylamine, benzylamine, and methyl, dimethyl amines are the example for aliphatic amines, where amine group NH2 or NHN nitrogen is attached to the aliphatic system of the carbon or hydrocarbon called aliphatic amines. Example: CH3, NH2, methylamine, or C2H5, NH2, ethylamine are the example. Or methyl example, dimethyl, CH3, CH3. Dimethyl amines are the example for aliphatic amines. Now, aromatic amines again classified into two types. Aromatic means the amine group NH2 or NHN is attached to the aromatic nature. Aromatic means at least one benzene. Again, such type of aromatic amines classified into two types: aryl amine and R-alkyl amines. Example for aryl amine. Example for aryl amine is NH2. Aryl is benzene ring, aryl system, aromatic system, and amine is NH2. Name is aniline. Name is aniline or benzyl amine. Aralkyl means ara means aryl, like that, aniline, and alkyl means aliphatic system. Both the word aryl, ara plus alkyl to form aralkyl. It is an example for aralkyl amine is CH2, NH2. Here, nitrogen is attached to the aliphatic system and the aliphatic system is attached to the benzene. Ara indicates aryl system, alkyl indicates CH2, aliphatic system. Here, NH2 is attached to the both. Now the name is benzyl amine. Benzyl amine. Now third classification of amines based on type of substituent group. Type. There are two types. Simple amines and mixed amines. Example: simple amines. These are amine groups containing same alkyl groups. Substituent groups are same. Here, different alkyl groups present in the amine compound. See example for simple amines: methyl, NH, CH3. Dimethylamine, or ethyl, C2H5, NH, C2H5. Diethylamine and methyl. Trimethylamine, tertiary amine. Trimethylamine. These are all called simple amines. These are substituted groups are same. Mixed amines are different. Mixed amines. These are amines containing two different alkyl groups. For example, formula, this general formula RNHR. But here RNH added. One R is different from another. See example: CH3, NH, C2H5. Here are two different. One is methyl, one is ethyl. Methylamine. Yes, two different substituted groups called mixed amines. Another example: CH3, C2H5, C6H5. Here, now follow the alphabetical order: E, M, and P. Yes, ethyl, methyl, phenylamine. This is general name. And three alkyl or aryl groups are different. See, it is a methyl, it is a ethyl, it is phenyl. Different substituent groups containing nitrogen amines are called mixed amines. It is same: methyl, ethyl, and CH3 methyl. Same substituents containing amines are called simple amines. Different substituent group of containing amines are called mixed amines. While studying the structure of ammonia, where in structure of ammonia, all amines in the nitrogen atom undergoes sp3 hybridization, but here there are 4 orbitals. We told that in nitrogen 1, 2, 3. 3 are bond pairs, 2 are lone pairs. Among those 4 orbitals, 3 hybrid orbitals are used for bonding, are called bond pairs. Bond pairs. 3 hybrid orbitals are used for bonding and called bond pairs. And the remaining 4th orbital of nitrogen in all amines are unshared electrons. This is the unshared, are called lone pair. One is lone pair, 3 bond pairs of the electrons. And what is the shape? Pyramidal. It is the explanation of why it is pyramidal. According to Weyer's pair theory, beneficial electron pair repulsion. Here, due to the higher lone pair bond pair, here it is a lone pair, these 3 are bond pairs. Due to the higher lone pair bond pair repulsion, sp3 hybrid orbitals gets distorted, resulting in the reduction of 109 degree 28 minutes. It is present in sp3 tetrahedral structure. but it is distorted due to the higher lone pair bond pair repulsion. To reduce to 100 degree, 28 minutes to 108 degree. It is an example for amines. Trimethyl, trimethyl amines. This is one is methyl, it is one methyl, it is one methyl. These three are bond pairs, and lone pair is unshared electron pair or lone pair.